1.5 million people have recently switched from ChatGPT to Claude, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can also switch in less than a minute. Now, the reason for this mass migration is for three reasons. First, Claude has much better writing capabilities, which is what many people use AI for. Secondly, because of the recent improvements to Claude Code, which allow non-technical people to vibe code apps. And thirdly, and probably most importantly, because of the Quit GPT movement that blew up on February 27th. And this all started when Anthropic, the company behind Claude, refused to let the US Department of War use their AI for autonomous weapons and mass surveillance. But then immediately after, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, stepped in and offered their models for exactly that purpose. But many people avoid switching because of all the memory that ChatGPT has built up about your business over the past few years. However, there's now a simple way that Claude itself introduced that will help you copy the memory data super quickly, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So what you want to do is you can just navigate to Claude AI. You can then click on your profile picture bottom left and then click on settings. Then you want to click on capabilities, and then you'll see there's a section import memory from other AI providers. Click start import. And what you need to do is copy this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then paste the response over here. So you then come to ChatGPT and you would paste in the prompt. What you also want to do, just to make this better, is change it from instant to thinking. You can either leave it as standard or extended. I tested it out on both and it seemed to work better on just standard thinking. And then you can just send that in. It's going to pull all the memory from ChatGPT into a single response that you can paste into Claude. While that's doing that, I also just want to show you that if you come here to settings and then personalization and then memory, if you click on manage, here is all the different memories that ChatGPT has of you. So if you want, you can also just highlight and copy all of these and just paste it into a document just so that you have it stored somewhere. However, I don't even like the ChatGPT memory feature, to be honest. It seems to remember things that are really irrelevant that I wouldn't even want it to know. But anyway, you can see it's finished now. It's given it in a format with instructions, identity, career, projects, so different subcategories with the timestamps because the time context matters for the different memories. So you can just copy this, come to Claude, paste it in over here, and then click add to memory. Now it's going to update the memory. Then to cancel your account, you can simply come to your profile picture, go to settings, then account, and under your plan, just click the drop down and click on cancel subscription. And that's funny, they're even trying to retain you by giving you a free month of ChatGPT if you keep Plus for free. But I'm going to go ahead and cancel anyway. So that's all for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next.